How's it going, folks? Voodoo Stache here. We're going to take a quick look at the isometric gutter squat. So you're going to start with your bar nice and low. Keeping to the isometric is you're going to be pushing in something that you can't move. You need to load a ton of weight on there. What I'm going to do, because these have holes in here, I can put the pin through and it won't move. So the goal of this is activation. We're trying to increase your neural drive so you get super activated all the way across your body. You're going to begin starting the tension from your feet, pressing all those feet to the floor, keeping your arches engaged, driving it all the way up. You're going to go through 5 gears of tension, then you're going to hold that peak here for about 10 seconds. Here we go, check it out. So when you get up underneath that bar, and again, you can adjust this to whatever fits you best. So I'm going to get up here, I'm going to lock that bar in place. From here, I'm going to set my feet. Right now I'm kind of round, so I'm going to lengthen my spine out. Take a deep breath in, bring the rib cage down, get the obliques turned on, and I'm going to slowly start pushing through the floor, trying to move that bar. I'm going to raise through that 5th gear. Once you're that 5th gear, push it as hard as I can for 10 seconds. Obliques should be working a ton, legs should be shaking. Then you relax and reset. Biggest thing on this you want to watch out for is as you're pressing through, don't let your body get tucked underneath this way. Don't let your body unlock that way. Think about your obliques turning on and engaging so these things are rock hard. And slowly increasing that tension to your top gear. Try it out, let me know how it goes.